my basic thing, I love trading. But if I can't sit here and look at a chart all day, and I gotta have something to do with the money that I make off of trade. And the best thing to do with money you make off trade is to buy things that you want. So if you buy things you want, why not buy assets that can make you money and you can still enjoy the things that you want? So say for instance, me personally, I want a house in Bahamas. I'm going over there next month to go look at some properties. I'm going over there to look at small apartments, small hotels, units near the water, duplexes, triplexes, anything that I could buy for a small amount of money to no money. I'm basing myself as what they call a asset strategist, because I'm buying things that coincide with me, but I can make money off of them. So I love trading, but I don't. It bring emotion when you sit here and looking at these damn charts, because I mean you never know what's gonna happen. So while I'm trading, and when I make money off my trading, I take my trading and I put it in the assets. So I base everything around. I love trading, and the money that I make off trading, I'm gonna grow my wealth by putting it in the assets, businesses, real estate, commodities, and paper assets. You know what I'm saying? Sure. So with your concept now, is the banking strategy, and that's part of my system. But let me explain this chart to you while I got it up and recording right now.
I gotta bring it closer to.
Okay, go ahead, do your thing. Okay, so basically what we got here. Okay, we got resistance is when it's bouncing, I look for consolidation. To get this clear, this is my strategy. I look for consolidation in the market. I don't look for uptrends and downtrends. I look for consolidation, because once it come out of that consolidation, you will see right here, the market trades sideways a whole lot. Or you see right here, that's consolidation, and it popped. That's consolidation. Then it went down. That's consolidation. Then it popped. You know, you see a lot of sideways movement. You can see all these little sideways movements in there. See the sideways movement right here. It's, if it don't bounce over the last high, these are highs, and these are lows. You know what I'm saying? This the high, this the low, right here. So if it don't pop past my last high, it's not going to alert my phone, because what I'm looking for it to pop past the last high. It alerts my phone, and then I put an entry in. So when I put that entry in, it's going to pop here, and I'm going to get a trail stop, and it's going to follow the market like this right here. Boom, 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 boom. And then when it come down, when it's going to follow, you see all this green right here. All these are uptrend candlesticks. Once it fall down below, say my trail stop right there, once it fall below this line right here, it automatically knocks me out. And I come from where the market broke from here to here. See what I'm saying? So you can't trade every day, all day. I mean, you can, but it brings too much emotion in trading when you're a beginner. But when you get your emotion, in the first 2 to 3 years, you gonna have emotion in trading, because it's gonna be a money thing. See, these charts ain't about a money thing to me no more. They tell a story. This is the same way life is. Sometimes your life go up, sometimes your life go down. You know, sometimes your life just moves sideways and you don't know what the fuck to do. You know what I'm saying? But it's the same, and that's why I love charts so much, because people's lives are just like these charts. You might get a little small move up, and then you got 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Or you might, like, when I first started traveling, that was like a big fucking uptrend to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was some shit that I just gained momentum and I kept going. So sometimes, like right now, I'm moving sideways. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I can explain these charts on a life basis level.
So what I hear you saying is, you monitor the consolidation.
Yeah.
You have your set point for when it rises.
Well, I'm looking for the last high.
do you go low also, or do you just go?
I don't short the market because, I mean, it's a personal preference. I'm what they call a bull. I'm what they call a bullish trader. Okay, you got a bearish, which is downtrend, and you got bullish, which is uptrend. And right now, I mean, my focus just been on uptrend because it's just a personal thing. I want everything in my life to go up because I already been down. So I don't look for. I mean, a lot of traders, real professional traders, they trade the markets up and down. Those are real professionals. You know what I'm saying? I'm a trader. I know how to trade the market. I'm not a pro, but I know how to make money off the market. You know, my life is not based upon trading all day, every day. I catch trends. I'm a momentum trader. When it pop, it hit my phone. When it go past this alert right here, let me see if I can go to a 1 minute chart. You can see how these charts move. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 hour.
5 minutes is fine.
There go 5 minutes right there. See, it's in the uptrend right now. But you see how close I got my indicator. So if it pop right here, if it pop past, see, once it alert my phone, this is exactly what I do. I'm gonna go to a part in the chart where it pop. Right here, consolidation, right? Consolidation right here. I see the consolidation. I'm gonna put it past this last high right here. This is the last high. Say we ain't even looking at none of this right here. So, say this consolidation right here. I'm putting past this last high. Right? Okay, it popped past the chart. I mean, popped past the red line. I'm looking at that red line. It popped past the red line about right here. So, I see that it popped past the red line, the 50-day moving average. It's already over the 200-day. So, I know it's in an uptrend. You know, that's just by looking at it without, you know, if you don't really know what you're doing. You're going off indicators. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an alert right here. It ain't going to do that. Well, I can try it, but it ain't going to do it. So I put an alert right here. Right? So I put an alert right there. See? See how it alert my iPhone and it alert this phone. And it alert this right here.
Oh, you just did this, and you got the response right now.
Yeah, I just got the response. Like soon as it hit that alert, it hit this, and it hit this, and I could be out and about, and I can trade off of this, or I could be in my upstairs and I can have my iPhone on me because this only work off Wi-Fi, and it'll hit this, and it'll give me that alert. You know what I'm saying? So once it give me that alert, what I do is I go in the charter, I look at it. I say, oh shit, it popped past the last high right here. I say, well, let me put another alert in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an alert right here for this high. I'm gonna look at it and then I'm gonna look back at the last high. And if it pop past the last high, I'm putting another alert. It'll pop past this last high, and then I put my entry in once I get that alert. But I put my entry in on a 2-hour chart because the 2-hour chart it moves slower. You know what I'm saying? It got one less candlestick. So these 2 candlesticks right here will be one candlestick about this size. See? It'll alert my tablet too. Because what you do is you get this platform on your computer, and then you download the app on your phone, and then you log in on the app and on the computer. So and that's one thing I was beating myself over the head. I was like, man, damn man, how the hell I'm gonna know when these charts going off? Because I never know. Here it is. I'm waking up in the morning and this chart already done trended up. I done missed the trend. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I need an alert. I need a software package where I can line all my charts up. like this. You got your 1 hour, you got your 4 hour, and you got your 1 day. I can change it from month to week to hour. I can, I can change different time frames. But I just like on a momentum trade like me, I would rather do the 1 day, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour, and then I put alerts on all of them. You know what I'm saying? And then they be ringing sometimes. Sometimes they be ringing, and sometimes
so how many
they don't.
of these here?
How many charts do I look at?
Monies. That's European, right?
Yeah.
So how many you normally follow?
Well, I mean, what, right here?
Well, you have a number on.
Okay. What I do is like I said, I don't know why this did that. I wish I can. I'm trying to figure out why I did that. Okay, I'm trying to get them back set like I had them, but I don't know why I did that.
There's nothing in that column.
Nah, when I push this right here, it knocks them to all the uptrends and then all the downtrends. But I don't know what's going on. I ain't logged on this platform. But anyways, all these, I can get it to reset. I just have to reset the chart. All these right here, and then I go to the bottom, and now all the reds be lined up. All the downtrends be lined up. So what I do is I go through all the green, and I just come through like this. Boom. Let me set this up real quick. I go through. Boom. Just like this. I look at the consolidation. The last high was here, right here. Boom. It's below. See, I like it to be below and starting a trend over that red. So I just, boom, put an alert in right here, and I just do this for all of them. And as they hit my phone, I just look at the chart.
Okay.
I just look. I go back in and look at the chart and make sure it's trending right.
So how you been doing?
Great, man. Wonderful. Like I say, I'm going to Bahamas next week. I'll be back over there for a week. Kids and football. It's like my only day off, really. But I mean, that's all I do, right? You see, the consolidation. Boom. All that consolidation is go pop one way or the other. It's over the yellow. It's over the 200. It's over the 50. But see, it's hit me already. And that's Aussie New Zealand. So let's go back in Aussie New Zealand. It ain't trend like that, so I just put another alert in. A little bit above the last high.
Somebody here?
My son. You know that nobody's over me and my kids. Yeah, man, it's crazy life, but I love it now. And I love these charts, man. You know what I'm saying?
How long you been doing it?
Doing this? 3 years now.
Oh, okay.
I make pretty good on it, I mean, I could travel off of it, so I'm good. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta, when, the thing about them classes, man, it's not that fucking hard. People emotions just get in the way. Because the gurus, they make it seem like it's so hard. And I went through 2 and 3 years of trying to listen to everything they fucking said. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? When all they had to do was tell me, look, it's a strategy like this. You got this consolidate, but I mean, you really need to know about candlesticks and moving averages and RSIs and like the 14, 70, 30. Those are, I mean, the candlestick movement periods or something like that. See, it's 7 assets. It's your mind, your time, your family, business, real estate, commodities, paper.
Right now, I gotta put that motherfucker on snap, bro. This damn chart.
Like a little beach. Yeah. On the strip. Chilling. Cool beach, man. Mopp investing, baby. That's how we do. You can be your own bank. Take credit. Build your credit. You got credit? You got bad credit.
If I can do it, y'all can do it. Me.
Transmuting an unpleasant circumstance into something useful. Now, when this circumstance happened, I had real reason to go out and fight, and I don't mean fight mentally or orally, I mean fight physically. If I had to settle the business from behind pine trees with 6-shooters, it would have been justified under the circumstances. But instead of that, I elected to do something that would damage no one and that would benefit myself. I elected to express myself through this essay, which says that, a challenge to life, which says, life, you can't subdue me because I refuse to take your discipline too seriously. When you try to hurt me, I laugh, and laughter knows no pain. I appreciate your joys wherever I find them. Your sorrows neither discourage nor frighten me, for there is laughter in my soul.